Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to our best trading strategy here in 2023. So what you gonna be learning today, guys, we're gonna be reviewing 4 particular pairs. So the first pair that I'm gonna be giving you guys is Euro USD, USD CHF, Euro GBP, and one of the most tradable pair, and that it is gold. So stay with me to the end, guys, for this best trading strategy that you're gonna be learning here in 2023. This is the second week that we are trading, guys, and this is for the week of January 9th to the 12th. So welcome to our day trading strategy, and let me show you the first pair all the week, and that it is, what do you think it's gonna be? What do you think it's gonna be? Yes, that is correct. That it is Euro USD. Boom! Look at what the market has to offer us this coming week. What are you gonna be doing, guys?
Oh yeah!
What? I didn't hear you. What?
Oh yeah!
Oh my God, guys! Look at Euro USD. This is very crucial, guys. Hopefully none of you guys blow your account on last Friday. Last Friday was NFP. So if you don't know how to trade news and so forth, guys, please, sometimes you need to stay away. So that's why I always tell you guys, don't buy signal, learn how to trade. If you guys want me to teach you how to trade, guys, there it is a perks that you can join us for $9.99. I can give you as many one-on-one you need, so you can learn the right way. And even though you using a different company, you won't see the difference between one and another, and then you can determine and say, you know what, I didn't know this, but for $9.99, don't regret it. Join today, because we are here doing how to day trade in 2023 day trading strategy. So let me go ahead and give you the Euro USD, the one that I just told you. Look at the dashboard, guys. The dashboard is very crucial. It's very important for you guys to pay attention at all time. What 4 hours and daily time frame is doing is very important to always pay attention. When you see the 4 hours and daily contradicting, guys, that it is a no trade. But I need to give you the content. I need to teach you what is good and what is bad, so you can learn from this best day trading in 2023, so you can be a pro. So this is what we'll do next. Once we identify what the dashboard is doing, we look for what the multiple time frame is doing with our multiple time frame. Look at here, boom, multiple time frame is telling us what? It's telling us the market, it is in a sell position. Our TWE sniper enter is telling us that we are in a sell. Always remember, when the TWE sniper enter showed up, you will be getting this rest there here. Look at the rest there. What is the rest there doing? Boom, 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 boom. Market is what? Is selling. Therefore, if you pay attention here, 4 hours to 30 minutes, the market is going where? It's going up. That is true. Now let me show you why it's going bullish. Let me delete all this stuff. Let me put this the arrow in white. Here's a multiple time frame. Multiple time frame is giving us a pullback currently. So for this new coming week that is coming, guys, the market is in a buy position. Remember, we are trading the week of January 9th to the 13th. So this is what I'm seeing here. Market will continue going up. In my opinion, market is still gonna give us another 40, 20 more pip. There's previous multiple time frame here, so it's a lot of bounces in this area. So market is gonna come to this side here. Then we're gonna be expecting to see a red arrow here, and boom, market is gonna drop to our 38.2 Fibonacci. Why? Look at here, multiple time frame, multiple time frame, multiple time frame. Look at multiple touches in there, multiple rejections. So this is a key level. The market will continue on this buy position. Remember, what is Euro USD is gonna be doing this coming week, guys? All I'm seeing here is the Euro USD. It is currently in a pullback going up. The market is bullish. The market is in a buy position as a pullback, not as an original trend, unless if it changed. But currently the market is doing a pullback. If you guys want me to do any video, guys, that I'm not covering today, let me know in the comment below. Send me a private telegram. If you want me to do a one-on-one, join our perks for $9.99. You will be getting tons of new information, but let me know so I can give you access anyway. All right, let's move forward to the next pair of the week. And the next pair that I have, guys, it is USD CHF. Boom! Pay attention what the market is doing here. First thing first, what are you supposed to be looking? What is the very first thing that you must look on the chart? What is it? What is it? All right, look at that. Someone said that we need to be looking at the dashboard. Here's the dashboard. Look at what the dashboard is saying. Saying, Irvin, we are in a buy position. Look at that. 4 hours and daily time frame saying that we are in a what? In a buy position. Remember, when the market is selling, you will be getting this red stare right here. When the market is bullish, you will be getting this green stare. So if you pay attention here, here's your multiple time frame. Here's your TW snapper entry. Look at what the market is doing. Boom. Market is in a buy position. So right now, the market, remember, on Friday, guys, there was news event. There was NFP going on. So the market was shopping back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Now, this coming week, we are going to be trading in a good standing. So therefore, this is what I'm seeing on USD CHF. Market is still going to be pushing back to this previous multiple time frame. There's a multiple low here as well. And then from there, market will continue on that buy position, retesting multiple time frame 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then market will do a small pullbacks. But overall, market here, guys, is getting ready for the continuation of that buy position. So right now, it's just in that pullback. Is selling right now. Okay, so that's why you see 1 hour and 30 minutes already dropping, because this is what Friday left us here. Okay, so hopefully that helps, guys. If there is any question that you guys have, or you guys want me to do the one-on-one, make sure everyone join. Do me a favor, guys. Hopefully everybody is finding value. One disclaimer that I need to tell you guys: do not trade any money you cannot afford to lose. This business is very risky. If you don't know how to trade, make sure you do ask for help, because we are here to help you so you can earn hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and what?
Oh yeah!
And what?
Oh yeah!
And hundreds of pips. Let's go. So that's what I'm seeing. All right, fair enough. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the week. Guys, the next pair that I'm going to give you today, it is the following. And that it is Euro GBP. Look at this beautiful and magnificent chart that we are seeing. Look at how gorgeous it is, guys. Oh my God. Look, this is the type of one-on-one that you're gonna be getting. Obviously, there's more rules behind scenes, so you're gonna be unlocking all those rules. Once you let me know, hey Irvin, I'm ready for my one-on-one, let me know when can we do it, and boom, we are gonna be doing. First thing first, what is your dashboard saying? Look at the dashboard. Is the dashboard what? Going up or going or selling? Look at that. Look at what 4 hours and daily time frame is letting us know. It's telling me, Irvin, market here is only going in one direction, brother. And that direction is bullish. So some of you might be saying, Irvin, but why is 1 hour and 1 minute telling me the market is selling? That is because the market, those are your baby time frames. So this is what I like to teach you guys. I like to teach you data that does not exist. I like to teach you what Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is going to happen. I might be wrong, but I want to be wrong, at least in reality. I don't want to teach you back data and say, oh yeah, if I would have taken this trade, I would have made all this money. Because this is what this is a lot of coach doing, guys. And they promote heavily their signal provider. Oh yeah, go to my website. You're gonna be getting this signal here and there. And this is the way how they tell you. They tell you, oh yeah, sign up on my website. And look, if you would have taken this buy here, you would have been making what? How much pips? 310 pips. Guess what? That's over. That is not good. That information is no longer valid. What you need to know is exactly what the market is doing. Look at here, multiple time frame is here, TW sniper entries here, telling us the market is in a buy position. Look at the stairs, so damn clean. Look, boom, 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 boom. There's a brand new stair showing up on Friday. It told us that we are gonna continue on that buy position. Look at that buy position, boom. So the market right now is doing a small retracement, right? That's what you see in 1 hour and 1 minute making that retracement. So overall, market can drop back to this multiple time frame one more time, and then from there market will continue this buy position. Why? Because the market is bullish. If you want to sell, that's fine, you could do that, but I'm just going with the trend. The trend is my friend. I'm just going what the market is saying. The market will continue, make that retracement back again, retrace this multiple time frame here once again, and then from there market may continue on that sell position. So by then we're gonna have a clearly what the market is doing. By Tuesday, Wednesday, we will know exactly what Euro GBP will be performing. But that is how we trade here in 2023. This is how we do our day trading. This is how you become consistently profitable trader, guys. This is your year 2023. The fastest way to become rich if you want to do this business is to trade with rule. You need to become profitable no matter what. You need to become profitable. All right, fair enough. All right, so any question, guys? Here, make sure everyone join that perk so you will not ever miss any content from us. All right, so let's move on to our next pair of the week, and that it is gold. Boom! Look at what gold is doing, guys. This is sexy, and you know it. What?
10, 9, 8,
Oh yeah!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire!
All right, pay attention to this one. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying here? Look at here. Look at this. Let me put an arrow. Arrow is better than a box. Oops, I put a box. All right, let me do the box. Look at that. 4 hours and daily time frame is doing what? It's telling us that we are in a what? Are we in a buy or in a sell? Look at the stairs. What is the stair doing? Look at here. Boom, 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 and boom! Market took over and went to the moon. That's exactly. Look at multiple time frame here, going with the TW sniper entry. Look at that. Market is going where? It's going bullish. So how bullish is gonna go? How bullish is gold gonna go? That is the question of the week, right? That is the question. So this is what I'm expecting to see here, guys. Market's still gonna be pushing another few more candles up, going up, making a long weekend here. Then from there we are gonna be expecting to see a pullback, retesting our previous multiple time frame between our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci, and then from there we're gonna continue on that buy position. This is exactly what I'm seeing here on gold, guys. If you are seeing something else, please let me know. It's very important for everyone to do this day trade in 2023 correctly, because we all need to know how we are gonna be consistent making money here on this type of business trading Forex. So hopefully, guys, this video makes sense. We have reviewed Euro USD, USD CHF, Euro GBP, and gold. If there is anything else that I'm missing, please let me know in the comment below, or let me know, or join our perks. So once again, guys, I want to thank everyone and each one of you guys for being here. God bless you. Happy 2023, and I will see you on the other side of the aisle. Hasta la vista. God bless you. God bless the world, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Peace out.